What's up, my OGs? Emily is going to be on how I got this beautiful color, steps, everything I used, all of that, and how I pluck my units. So I'm giving you guys another plucking video because you guys have been asking me for one, even though I have one. I love y'all, so I'm doing another one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. The Kaleido Colors bleach for dark hair. They have like two other ones, but this is the one for dark hair. And I'm going to use a 40 volume developer with this one. And then I'm using this CT18 toner. I loved how this toner made the hair look. It didn't just lift it to like a ash blonde. It kind of gave it like a tint. I can't really explain it. If you use it, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But I am gonna tone the hair, bleach the hair, all of that. But I just wanted to come in and like verbally tell you guys what I was using, work it through with my comb. So yeah, and I have so many paper towels, and I'm wiping my comb and hands periodically, just in case, you know, you're wondering like, how do I do this without getting bleach everywhere? We have towels on the side that we wipe the bleach off of our hands and off the comb with. Just, that's what nobody ever really tells y'all. But yeah, so I have a towel that I'm doing that with. And excuse my appearance, I have my Gangsta Boo braids out, and they're old as crap. I think I'm on like a 3-month stretch right now, so I'm in my 3rd month with my braids. I'm going to be taking them down soon because they're raggedy. But if y'all see that and clock that, don't worry about it, sis. Mind your business. It's cool. We living. We good. So yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys like it. And I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye, yeah. Okay, and right here I am going back over my my bleach, the places I've already bleached. I'm just going back over, adding more bleach because the hair kind of sucked up the bleach, and so I'm just going back through and putting fresh bleach on top of the already bleached hair. And I mean, this is only going to give you like another level of a lift. It's not going to give you too much more of a lift once the hair has lifted to that certain, you know, blondish, brassy color. You have to really just like wash it out and start over. But yeah, right now I'm just going back over my bleach and refoiling it. In the next clip, you will see, this will be me removing the foil from the 2nd round of bleaching after the hair dried and I re-bleached it. So just so we're clear on, that wasn't this same time. Okay y'all, so here I'm just rinsing the hair out, and I'm gonna be washing it with some purple shampoo. I'm just using the generic version of the shimmer lights because all of them really work the same. Y'all know I love the ion one, but this is what I grabbed when I reached for it and it was almost out, so I just decided to use it instead. But yeah, I'm just putting that on. I let it sit on the hair for about 5 minutes, and then I came back and washed it out, and then I went directly into mixing my toner and applying my toner to the hair. But yeah, I am using a nice amount of purple shampoo because I hate brassy tones in blonde. Like if I dyed the hair blonde, I wish it would be brassy, like no ma'am. So yeah, we're just getting all the brassy tones out. And yeah,